ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ke Sorkar Jilla hadu menta kadang up ya ke Kaiphod jong ke Independent Inquiry Committee bahkan pendap ya ke Jingtohkit hakabayadai bat ke Jingkeno dito ya Khaw nagani ke Jilla Meghalaya syaka Jilla Assam Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri ketanat social welfare uba kermen shilla uloong baka Sorkar kala patha ya gani ke komiti bala khli do justice retired mulchan gar ke Madhya Pradesh High Court bahkan pendap ya ke Jingtohkit hapo lai benai kumban supentip baka jingthung ya ke Jingtohkit kalong hadin ba Khaw bala Aisha ke Continental Milkos India Limited naga benta ban khle ya ke jingbam taimet neki supplementary nutrition program lalap hakawai ke kudam bo Khaw ke badan haboko Assam bat ya ubala kurup no da kipulet jong ke Jilla Assam.
Now we don't know exactly what is it because from our side we feel that we don't feel the needs to follow it up also since it is the time period which was given for the inquiry is 3 months, so it has not been completed, so we are waiting for that. So when the time is completed for that 3 months, then we'll ask what is the reason of delay, if it is delayed, and if it is done, so we'll have the report later. I don't know, that will be done by our department, so as of now what exactly they require from us, we don't know. So if they require also, they will ask from my department. So our department are bound to submit anything required by the inquiry. We expect it to be done within 3 months of time. But how long it will take, that it depends on the inquiry. The chairman who headed. So as of now, we are waiting for that. So I cannot say anything when it comes to this because I have nothing to say since it is under inquiry. We have done the testing before we gave the food to our children. Testing has been done, and then the reports has been submitted to. We kept the report. We have all the reports. So before we provide the food to children, so the lab report we collect the lab testing. We cannot say no or yes when it comes to this. We have to wait for the inquiry first. If we found that this person has done something which is not right, then we have to take a strict action against him. But as of now, we are nobody to give any judgment against him because we cannot. It's not in our hand to give a judgment. So since we have give this thing to the inquiry, and actually it's not about the department you're holding. It's about how you give justice to the department. Any department is the same. It's just that you should give justice to the department you're holding, and then that should be the benefits for the people.